kind of kick is this? What kind of kick? What's it called?
Tornado.
Okay.
Tornado kick. Ready?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Now this is the hurricane kick.
Yeah. Yeah, what is that?
And this is a Charlie horse.
I just bought those made of Jeremy. We got a sample for the test. They said probably in January.
Wait, do that again.
I just want to get that schedule, get it out of the way. And then